Hey folks, my name is Robert. I'll be teaching the Myofascial Release course this fall at Somatherapy, and the course used to be based on Ruth Duncan's book of Myofascial Release. She has a lot of cross hand holds that she holds for about 3 minutes all over the body. You can argue the efficacy of that. We're not going to be using Ruth. Bye, Ruth. We're going to be using my book, Three-Dimensional Body Work, and it's a step-by-step guide of myofascial release, rather myofascial network release, based on the networks and myofascial meridians of Thomas Myers. You're going to be learning the connections of myofascia through the body, and we're going to be manipulating that. You'll be drawing these lines on each other at the beginning of each class. But then, for the next 3 hours, you'll be learning my technique, which is a step-by-step technique of myofascial release. You'll be learning a 90-minute myofascial network release routine. Instead of techniques that compress layers of fascia down on each other, pretend these are the muscles of your thigh. We're going to be actually shearing these muscles so we work deeply and release the deep fascia around the bone. So it's a very effective technique and it feels good. We will be placing limbs in optimal three-dimensional positions and working tissue in tension or slack. I'm going to demonstrate very quickly. For example, let's use the thigh muscles here. And we have it stretched. Irene is holding the drape in a diaper drape, so it's very secure in the groin area. And we can actually then shear the muscle around the bone. And it feels good and is very therapeutic and is very effective. We can also work against gravity and find the valleys of the fascia, the different fascial sacs, and we can actually just shear them with our fingers against gravity, and again it feels really good and is very effective. We can also shear the IT band off of the deep fascia beneath it. Those are just a couple moves. There's a lot, and you're going to be learning several draping techniques for lower supine, upper supine, sideline, lateral recumbent position, and prone.